Hi guys, this is not real blood. If you think it's real blood, it's not. Hi guys, so I just woke up from a long nap and it is very loud. It is very loud over there. My mom is sleeping. My grandpa is awake, but he's about to watch TV. It's called Bristly. If you guys watched it, comment down below. Oh my gosh, did you see this right here? Right here. I'm so tired. So tired. So if you guys want to see something like, if you guys want me to post a video about Universal Studios, if you comment down below, I'll do it. Because I might go to Universal Studios on May, because on May 23rd, I'm going to Universal Studios. But this is actually not my phone, so I'm gonna get a big trouble. You can actually see myself in the reflection. Hi. And also this shirt says, "The Goonies never say die." And if I post this video, my classmates may know. So I'm going to go here. Wait, what was that sound? You guys hear that? Seriously, look. Dude, I promise that was not me.